How to tell if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you think that you are blocked by someone on WhatsApp, then what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the application on your device. Now, in order to find out if the person has blocked you or not on WhatsApp, there are three ways. So the first one is by messaging them. Now, when you message the person, if there is only a single tick mark, then it can mean that they do not have their Wi-Fi or data at the moment. However, if a long time has passed since you sent the message and it is still on one tick mark, then there is a possibility that they have blocked you. Now, the second one is if you don't see their status or their profile picture. It can also mean that they have removed their status or profile picture. However, there is a possibility that you have been blocked. Now, for the third one, how to tell if you're blocked. Now, what you're going to do is first of all, create a group, then add the person you want to know if they have blocked you or not. Then give the name to a group. After you've created a group, see the members of the group. Now, as you can see, the person has not blocked me, so I can see their name on the group. However, if someone has blocked you, then you will not see their name on the group you created. So this is how you can tell if you're blocked on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching to the end of the video. Hope this video was helpful to you and see you in the next video.